Hey guys, Skyblade here, and I have a very special video for you guys. Unfortunately, my initial voiceover was corrupted when I exported the audio, so I am recording this after the fact. This is my unboxing of my new Beard Struggle kit. I am recently become a brand ambassador for them, and I'm excited to see where this journey takes me on my new bearded adventures. So as we're getting into this and as I'm opening the box in the video, I do want to give a huge shout out to the Beard Struggle for bringing me onto the team. Um, yeah, just to see where this takes me. And without further ado, I believe I'm about to start opening the box here. I'm not fully sure what happened to the audio, but when I went to edit the video, it did end up corrupted, which is super unfortunate. This is me realizing that there is more tape than just that front one after the fact, as I try to open it and then realize that there is definitely more tape on each side of the box. So, blunders aside with my not knowing how to open a box and then struggling with sticky bubble wrap, as you'll see here in a second. I encourage you all to check out their website. They do offer all of their scents are based on like Norse mythology. So the scent I got is the Viking Honor scent, and I'll go into more detail of what that is here in a second once I actually get this box open. But if you haven't already, I'll be posting progress pictures on my Instagram, which I will link in the video description as well. That's where progress pictures will be. So, getting the box open here. It's weird to find things to talk about. Like, it was so simple when I recorded it the first time, and the audio corrupted. Which is just super unfortunate, but everything comes nicely bubble wrapped and nicely packaged. They got it to me in a super quick amount of time as well. I believe it was like 3 days, including the weekend. So I'm pretty sure I ordered it on like the 16th or 17th, and today's the 20th, and it's already here. So it was like Thursday or Friday, I believe, when I ordered it. So just kind of going through. This is the insert that comes with it. The insert is actually a catalog, as well as there's a nice FU Cancer sticker here with their logo behind it. The insert that came with it, it's a catalog of products, and what the catalog has in it, it goes through the different beard brushes. There's different kits. There's accessories for your beard, like rings and beads. There's heat protectant. There's a day tonic, a night elixir. So basically a daytime oil, and then there's a nighttime before you go to bed oil. There's a scruff balm for those of us with short beards like mine right now. There's a full-on beard balm, which is I think they say 4 inches or longer beard. There's a couple different combs. Those are all the different scents. There's a trimming kit, beard wash, beard conditioner, body wash, and a mask as well. It does go through optimal results, the kind of routine. And then I'll kind of go through all the scents while I'm struggling with bubble wrap here. There's an Asgardian Secret, which is sandalwood, vanilla, and bergamot, which is a kind of soft, sensual, exotically rich scent. There's an Odin's Virtue, which is an intense woodsy scent with arga wood, which is not quite out yet, I don't believe. There's Ragnarok Finale, which is sharp vanilla and patchouli base with smoky and woody cedar wood and balsam earthiness. There's Valkyrie's Ode, which is peppery and acrid ode scent with buzzingly luxurious and vanilla note and a spicy bergamot aroma. As I'm getting the package open here, you see everything is just beautiful for packaging and the way the bottles look and the way like they have their logos and everything set. There are 4 more scents in that was the gold collection. There's a silver collection as well, but I will get into those once I explain kind of what was in this kit. So this first thing that I'm unwrapping, this is their beard brush. It's very, very, very soft. Wood handle, etched logos. And this, you just kind of, obviously it's just a comb, or more of a brush than a comb. But the way they have the bristles set, it allows you to basically get rid of any sort of knots or loose hairs and just kind of help smoothen everything out. This next thing, this is the Night Elixir. This is what you put on before you go to bed. I believe on it says as well to 6 to 8 drops under your beard to the skin, and then work the oil through your beard. So basically you start underneath your jawline and then work it through. There's a nice FU Cancer with the Beard Struggle logo on it as well, a little bracelet. This is the, I believe it's the Beard Wash. And this, it says, for optimal results, wash your beard 2 to 3 times a week with our Beard Wash, followed by the Beard Conditioner, which I actually have to order yet. And then it says to use alongside the Beard Oil and Beard Balm, which Beard Balm is this next little one. And the Beard Scrub, this is the Scruff Balm. There is a full Beard Balm as well for longer beards. This balm that I have, the Viking's Honor, which is one of the silver scents, it is bergamot and lime with notes of peppermint, and as soon as you open it, you can smell the peppermint, and it's like a super intoxicating smell of peppermint, but it's not overwhelming. There's also Viking Storm, which is, I think it's all sandalwood undertones, like an earthy sandalwood undertone. There's Loki, which is just unscented. And then there's Freya's Bliss, which is ocean citrus fresh. And then there's earthy cedarwood and lime undertones for that one as well. Those are the silver collection. I will be ordering the V-Comb, which I unfortunately do not have. I forgot to order one. And then I also need to order the conditioner as well. I just got one of their starter kits. And then I'll be ordering some extra stuff and working with them on some extra stuff as well. But hopefully you all have enjoyed this nice little unboxing video. I will be posting my discount code as soon as I get it in the video description. And there's a link to their website as well on top of that. And then I will also be posting a link to my Instagram so you can check out progress pictures and things of that nature, along with supporting me and my channel and my future bearded adventures, as well as supporting a great cause, because I do believe a portion of the proceeds go to fighting cancer. So hopefully you've all enjoyed. Other than that, if I don't see you on Instagram, I will see all of you in my next video. Hope you all have a great day and week, and you're all staying safe in this quarantine. Peace out, everybody.